come home from school and bring this. What is that?
The gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house.
This part fell off, so don't mind.
It's so windy today. Woohoo.
I can't even breathe. It's coming very clean.
You did it by yourself?
Yeah.
Good job.
Monday and Tuesday. So we're gonna come back Wednesday. Wait, we don't even have school.
Other classes, they don't make?
They do work.
Mm.
Because this is like the day before winter break. Because
Why is still heavy? You didn't eat or what?
I ate, but I didn't finish. I'll finish.
This is so windy, guys. Like we can fly in this wind. If we have kite, it will be nice, you know.
Oh no, the kite will rip. Because it's so
It will fly so far away.
Look. The door, I put the door there.
Oh yeah.
I should have made the door open, but
You use your own things that you bring, or everyone can?
everyone,
So you can just take whichever
yeah.
share. Mm. Look at the wind. This is so windy.
Windier than you think.
Yeah. My hand gets so cold.
To be out here for longer.
The sun is so shiny. But this is so cool. My hand freezing.
Oh my god, look at your hand. Oh my god. It's so weird. I'm gonna try these gummies.
Yeah, whole chunk with.
Teddy bear.
Gingerbread house. Say? No, not this one. I asked that kakamek. What is that?
Teddy bear.